What really makes us age? Is it the number of years or something deeper within our cells? Dive into the intricate dance between life and time, where Dr. Hwa A sheds light on the true essence of aging and identity. In the vibrant realm of cellular activity, aging emerges not merely as a count of years, but as a slow decay of the systems orchestrating cell regeneration. Picture the skin, a canvas constantly repainted by adult stem cells. Over time, this relentless cycle introduces tiny flaws, spots, thinning, wrinkles, each a whisper of the original blueprint, slightly distorted with every new layer. Dr. Lim elucidates this phenomenon using the skin as a prime example. Each generation of cells inherits a slightly altered structure from its predecessor, leading to the visible signs of aging we all recognize. This imperfection in replication is not confined to the skin, but extends to our entire biological system, including the complex cardiovascular network. Despite advances in medical technology allowing us to patch, replumb, or even replace parts of this system, the underlying framework remains aged, accumulating defects that impair its function. Enter the realm of bionics. Dr. Lim introduces a future where synthetic implants and robotic limbs don't just restore function but redefine it. These innovations offer a more robust kind of life, where our physical limitations are not just halted but transcended. Yet this bionic future, rich with artificial intelligence and electronic components, presents a new paradigm, not a halt to aging but a redefinition of the human experience. Consider the staggering rate at which our bodies renew themselves. In the time it took to articulate these thoughts, approximately 100 million cells in your body have been replaced. The inner linings of your stomach and small intestine rejuvenate weekly. White blood cells and platelets have lifespans ranging from days to months. Even the microtubules in neurons refresh every 10 minutes. This relentless turnover challenges the notion of a static identity. So, are you the same person you were a few months ago? Physically, perhaps not, as Dr. Lim points out. But the essence of identity, the continuity of self, persists through this cellular flux. It is this enduring sense of self, amidst constant biological turnover, that intrigues and puzzles. As we increasingly integrate non-biological systems into our bodies, this concept of identity will stretch and adapt. These changes, Dr. Lim reassures, will no more disrupt our sense of self than the natural cellular replacements occurring at every moment within us. In summary, aging reflects not just the passage of time, but the gradual deterioration and imperfect replication of our cellular structures. The integration of bionic enhancements presents a future not just of extended life, but possibly of enhanced identity, where the fabric of self is woven not only with organic cells, but with the threads of technology. Thus, as we stand on the brink of this bionic future, we find ourselves not just confronting the boundaries of aging, but reimagining the very threads of our identity.